Okay, this is a little message for our iMarketsLive friends across the pond in UK. I know there's a wonderful event going on right now. Hop on the plane with Bas and come to our Dutch event Tuesday, February the 19th. We'll welcome you with open arms, red carpet treatment. So those who are in the UK right now at the UK event, hop on the plane with Bas to come to the Netherlands and make sure you have your presence and start building your team in Holland, in the Netherlands as well as we are starting to build our teams in the UK. So make sure you're on the plane with Bas to come and visit our Dutch event Tuesday, February the 19th, 2019. Jason Brown is there, Christopher Derrick is there to teach us about the new rules of money. Let's give you a warm welcome and show you some real Dutch hospitality. Make sure and let me know what we can do for you to make your trip easier, to be the model host. We'll arrange hotels for you, Uber, taxi, pick up stuff, whatever you need. Let us know, at least give us a chance to show our Dutch hospitality. But the general idea is to stay in the flow, come from the UK event to the Dutch event, to the Las Vegas event, and start creating events after events after events. So make iMarketsLive a lifestyle. Hop on the plane with Bas, get your ticket, book your hotel. We'll make sure we have some guidance for you. So let me know personally. My name is Rob Buser. I'm one of the initiators in Holland, and I'm doing my utmost best to make this into a worldwide success. So I hope to welcome you, give you a hug, and give you a red carpet treatment in Holland, and have a fun time with you. So welcome UK guests or whoever is on the UK event. Come Tuesday, February the 19th, 2019. When you see this video after the 19th, then please click links underneath anyway. Make sure you get more video information when you see this video for the first time, and get in contact with the person that sent you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. Click links under this video to get more video information. Claim your seat, reserve your ticket for the Dutch events right now. Purchase more than one ticket at a discount price. There's an Eventbrite link underneath this video when you see this on YouTube. When you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do this. I'll send you appropriate video information about upcoming events, iMarketsLive, etc. Won't spam you. And then when you see this on YouTube and there's a little word spelled share underneath every YouTube video, there's a little word spelled share. Click on that. You'll see little social media icons pop up. You're able to share on that again. You're able to click on those again in order to share this video message on your own social media walls and accounts. So here you have it. Tuesday, February the 19th in Holland, event with Jason Brown, Christopher Derrick as a follow-up event for and from iMarketsLive, straight from UK to Holland to Las Vegas, etc. We'll fall forward. We'll do a fall forward event, marathon, so to speak, with the help of these wonderful individuals that you see on the poster here and other leaders in iMarketsLive. We're open for suggestions. Join our team specifically because we're really specialized in social media, follow-up funnels, lead generation on autopilot, and funnel building. So that's a good reason to join our team right now. If you haven't joined a team in iMarketsLive yet, you're more than welcome to join us. And then all I have left to say is welcome. I hope to see you in person, give you a big hug and a warm welcome in Holland. And then I'll see you definitely in one of our live streaming sessions, events, webinars, clinics, what else? Sales funnels, you name it, but definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. 2019 is our year. Learn all about the new rules of money. Come down and see how you're able to use and turn your mobile phone into an ATM machine. No guarantees. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. No guarantees, no promises. Marketing efforts is up to you to also make money with iMarketsLive in a clever way. And then I'll see you and yours definitely in Holland. Check you soon.